The blood rain. Blood rain, or red rain, is a unique natural phenomenon in which it is thought that blood falls from the sky in the form of rain. It occurs at random places, but is seen frequently in Kerala, India. The blood rain in Kerala first occurred in 1896 and has happened several times. It was first reported in 2001 by locals, after which several studies were conducted, and the government later commissioned a study and found out that the rains have been colored by flying particles of a type of green algae that grows in the area. The most recent occurrence happened in June of 2012. There were also reports of blood rain in Sri Lanka in 2012. Initially, many superstitions were associated with blood rains, and people thought it as a sign of bad luck. Since the scientific reason has been discovered, so whenever it happens, people go for a walk in the rain and try to record the moment as it occurs rarely.
And the locals here are used to heavy storms. But there's something very out of the ordinary about this rain. It's blood red. This is no science fiction story. It's weather right here on Earth. The ruby-tinged rain continues for 2 months. Villagers fear it's the end of the world. Scientists are puzzled and struggle to explain this freak event of nature.